Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I will telling about this rejection SOP. Now step is 3. Notify the supplier. Contact the supplier for manufacturing of this fabric. Inform then your sales issues you have found. Be specific about this issue and have been defined as your preventive and documentation. You have a supplier you claim. Request a replacement. Depending on this severity of these issues, you may be able to request a replacement fabric or a credit for this defective fabric. It is improvement of this work with the supplier and both practice. Return this fabric and defective fabric. If these issues content was resolved, you may immediately return this defective fabric to the supplier. Be sure to follow any necessary shipping and handling guidelines to ensure that your fabric is returned safely. Rejection as a fabric can be completed process as these are important. Follow these contact steps and necessary issues and handling properly by clarifying inspection in these fabrics, documenting any issues, and working with the supplier to find a solution. You can run in this business only use these high quality fabrics. I hope you well. Thank you so much watching these full videos. I will telling about this next step, next SOP. When I'm free, please show my other videos and play these videos. Thank you so much watching these full videos.